guys, look at all this junk. Looks like Sanford and Son's backyard. Look at all this stuff. Me and Alan is going to make a scrapyard run today. We're gonna drop some stuff off at the scrapyard.
Crunch it?
Yeah, they crunch it.
Why?
Why? Because they get the money back for it. Here you go.
Oh yeah.
I think we're gonna mostly do like steel because we got to get some of the steel out of here so we can clean everything else up and find This doesn't have anything in it. That was just a display microwave, so we don't have to clean that. We got lots and lots of junk here. And I decided not to put this on time lapse because everybody likes to hear our commentary, so that's why I didn't do that.
Look at all this. Look at all this junk.
Oh, I know. We got lots of junk here.
Get the money for this stuff.
Get the money back.
Yeah, a workout.
That's a nice piece of steel there. I just called the scrapyard and the steel's at 150 a gross ton. Went up like $20 since the last time I called them. I don't know what they'll say about the camera because I never brought a camera down there before.
Look at all this.
I know. Here. Yeah, we got our steel in a strange spot, so it's kind of a little tricky to get to. It's behind our fence, which is there, and we got this little opening to get it out, or we can throw it over, but why don't you go out the way, over that way, and I'll put it over. And then you can grab it after I throw it. This is going to take up too much room. I don't really want to take that right now. This is a nice plant stand. My wife might want that. Or a pot stand, I should say. Yeah, we decided to do this instead of taking that hot water heater back out of the truck. Because that would have been too much work. Taking it out and have to put it back. That's another display microwave. It doesn't have any stuff inside of it. All these racks we got from GameStop. We got a lot of stuff here. Wow. This was something I was going to turn into I thought about turning into a spoon, but I didn't realize it's broken right there. that case is aluminum on that. Yep, looking a lot like Sanford and Sons junkyard back here. You guys probably remember some of this stuff from the videos.
Hey.
What?
Look at all this.
I know. An old electrical box. Oh, got a little wire off on it. Might want to get that wire out. Save that for another trip. All right. What happened? What? So you love the junkyard, do you?
Yeah,
He's all excited about it because I told him we would get lunch after. Get us some lunch. That's a big old hunk of steel there. All right, let's see. Some plastic on that. Thought that would break easier. Sorry about the noise, guys. Oh, I'm gonna have to undo them. That's easier. I didn't think anybody would turn. Look at that one. There it goes. Huh? No junk. Yeah, and we hardly put it in it. Hardly put it in the pile, man. Put some up towards the front. See, you got an empty spot there. The heavy duty strip there. It's got wire all the way through it. Have to clean that out.
Marty,
What?
it's a junkyard.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Why is it a junkyard? Because we got a lot of junk. That's why. We got too much junk. We gotta scrap it. We gotta scrap it up like Leanne and Michelle, huh?
Why?
Because they're the scrap it up team. We scrap it up too. We've been holding on to a lot of this stuff. We've been holding on to it for a little while. Throughout the winter. Waiting for prices to go up. That's a heavy duty, looks like a trailer or something. Huh. Might actually be able to sell that. Might be able to sell that one. Let's see. Alright, I'll go help him put the rest of this in there. I think we're getting full.
Look at all this.
I know. Lots of junk there, huh?
What is the junkyard for?
Get the money.
Put all the junk.
Mm-hmm. There's still some more over there around that corner right there. Small pieces. Yeah, that's a heavy duty piece of steel there.
Keep bending it out.
Can't bend it. Your knee hurts. Sometimes the meds that he's on causes him to have knee pain, hip pain. You got it?
Yeah.
You know, this is probably new for everybody. They don't normally see us during the daytime. And plus, we don't usually take stuff down unless the prices are good. Where is
I had a workout, buddy.
You had a workout?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Look at all this. Look at all this.
Yeah, I know.
What's
Gotta make sure it's secured in there.
weird?
Yeah.
Why?
You don't want it to fall out. You love the scrap, huh?
Uh-huh.
Alright guys, I think that's... I'm gonna put some sides on this eventually so we can haul more, but I think that's about all I can do unless I break out my straps, and we don't got a lot of time, so and everything's good and secure where it's not gonna fall out. So. Alright, we'll see you guys at the scrapyard. If they let me record there, I don't know. I've never tried it before. So, alright guys. See you in a few. Hopefully. Jeez, lots of traffic today. So you love the scrapyard too?
Yeah.
Like to get the money back?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I do.
Get the money back. Well, let's all go to the scrapyard. Let's all go to the scrapyard. Let's all go to the scrapyard and buy ourselves some lunch. Buy ourselves some lunch. Buy ourselves some lunch. Good idea? It would be so tasty. What kind of lunch you want?
I don't know.
You don't know yet? You just want to get there, huh? Just want to get there where the getting's good. You were happy that I said we were gonna go to the scrapyard today?
Yeah.
Oh jeez. Got so excited, I remember. He wasn't wearing a shirt or anything, and he was just sitting in his sweatpants, and he jumped right up and started getting dressed. He was ready to roll. Right? The truck makes so much noise. Especially with the window rolled down. It's actually pretty nice out today, guys. It's probably like, it's got to be like 50 degrees. I didn't check the weather thing, but it feels like it's about 50.
I'll go to the scrapyard.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because,
Get the money back for the microwaves.
yeah, all the scrap.
Why?
Well, so we can get some lunch. Is that a good idea?
Yep. But why microwave? £5 now.
Well, they'll crunch it.
Why?
Well, because they recycle it and they make it into a new microwave. Yeah, they'll shred it up. It might become a new microwave or car or
Truck.
something. A new washer or dryer. They shred all the metal, mix it all together. It goes into a big old melting and melt it down. Then they make it into sheets of metal. Lots of traffic out here today, guys.
Fucking love. Get the mighty back. Get the mighty back.
Oh yeah.
Why?
Because we need it. Because we need money. Don't we need money?
Uh-huh. But all the scrap.
Mm-hmm. Well, hopefully they'll let us record in there. I don't know if they will. I figured I would do some recording on the way down just in case they wouldn't let us.
Arnie.
Yeah.
I love junkyard.
You love the junkyards?
Yep. I love
You like seeing the big machines?
big machines.
Oh boy.
Catch the micro.
They crunch it. Get you all excited.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. The way they can smash it up.
Uh-huh. Two microwave. Clean up.
Yeah. Crunch them up in 1,000 pieces.
Yay. Crunch.
Crunch.
Out of the machine.
Yeah, huge machines.
Huge.
Mm-hmm.
I saw them in the junkyard. Here it comes, junkyard. Here it comes.
Oh yeah, we're almost there.
Almost to the junkyard. I like down happening.
Who said that?
Mom,
Oh, because she'd be so excited about it.
go. Here it is. That's the junkyard.
Where? Yeah, that's a wood, that's a place that does like mulch and stuff. And they sell boats. We're getting closer though. We're almost there.
Almost to the junkyard. Get the money back. Hi.
The money back.
Took all the junk. Took the money back for microwaves and all the scrap.
Oh yeah. I think they said copper was at 224, I think, or 240 for number one. And then the
that. Look.
Yeah, I know.
Haha.
It's a big crane.
Cut the microwave.
They'll crunch it up.
Why?
Because that's what they do. That's their
Every
business.
time?
They do it every time. That's their business. Either one of those now? No. Okay, There it is. You excited, are you? Oh boy.
Here I go.
He loves this place.
I've been here yesterday with you.
Yeah, we came here in the summertime.
Sometime. Why?
Because this is where you take the goodies so you can get the money. Get the money back.
Oh.
Oh, you love that thing. I bet you want to drive one of those someday, huh?
Oh, so?
You hope so. Is he gonna back up more, or I'm gonna move over here so I'm not in his way? Where he wants to park. Usually they'll come and say something. Wants one this pile, or wants it's cleaning up over there, so probably wants crunching it up, dude. You might want to grab some gloves, man. I don't know what happened to your mates. Where's my other? Here. Where are these ones? Those are my heavy duty ones. That one goes on that over there. And this one goes on that hand. I don't know if he's seen me pull up. I don't know. If he wants to start throwing it around. Yeah. Yep.
This sheet iron looks like today, huh?
Yeah, I got a little bit of copper in there.
Okay.
That's stripped, and I'll bring it in.
Oh, everybody run. Jobs for coming. There you go.
Thanks. You too.
Only one.
Where's your other glove? You gotta grab the other glove, man.
Everyone.
Well, where's my other one? I don't want you to
Caught myself.
hurt your hand. Don't throw out our, can't throw out our dumpster stuff. Go ahead. That papers. Those are heavy duty. I don't know what I'd use those for anything. So many of them. Gotta leave the wire in here. Oh, I know. Get that. That's a heavy duty microwave. A lot of copper in there.
Only one.
What's the chain here?
You see mine?
Hmm.
it up into that can.
Yeah, go ahead. And toss them. Sure, I left my tools in here. I still gotta go through. I gotta go through some of the small stuff. So there's still some aluminum and stuff that's mixed in there. Never got a chance to go through that. Alright, let's go to the scale, dude. Oh, grab that piece right there on the side. Right there, that's one sticking up right there.
That one?
Right here. Both of them. Well, we got most of it. I gotta go through this stuff and see what has aluminum in there that I gotta keep and get my copper wire out of there. And that's some food that I'm dropping off to my dad. My back seat is full. We got dog food back there still that we gotta go through and see what's on recall and what's not on recall. So we can donate it.
Have fun.
You have fun?
Can I have?
Yeah, scrapyards are fun. Now we gotta go way out so that we know how much we had. That's what we gotta do. Go up here and we way out.
Pretty nice outside.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because it's a nice day.
Nice day to go to the junkyard.
Oh yeah. Oh, well, after we weigh, then we gotta go. I gotta go and catch the little bit of copper too. $53.40.
What?
Yeah.
That's cheap.
It's cheap, huh?
Yep.
We'll pull over here.
Copper.
Pull up here. I don't know if they want me to wear this in there, so I'm gonna put you guys on pause for a minute. All right, guys, we're back. We had sheet iron. We had a total of 420 pounds of sheet iron at 150 gross ton. We got 28.13 for that. We had 3 pounds of copper tube, $2.28 a pound, which came to $6.84. And then we had 1 pound of number 1 copper at $2.45 a pound. And for a grand total of $37.45. And yep, that's what we got, guys. Better than what I thought was gonna happen. So that's cool. Now me and Alan, we're gonna go get some lunch.
Yep.
And I'm sure he's starving like Marvin by now. Right?
Huh?
We'll go find some lunch somewhere. Did you have fun?
Yeah. Microwaves too.
And we seen one of my nephews there too, didn't we?
Little Teddy.
Yeah, my nephew. He was there. Alright guys, we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to
Like,
comment.
subscribe.
That's right. And don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Love you guys.
Love you.
We'll see you next time.